Hi everyone.
Hello.
I just arrived Philippines this morning, and we wake up only right now 2 p.m. in the Philippines. Sunday. We're going to eat in the SM City Clark. I not expected come back to the Philippines this time, but my flight to China cancelled because my flight 29 only to 29 of October. August, of course, August 29. And I bought new ticket 23, August 23. And only right now I arrived Philippines. In the Philippines very hot, but in Russia also good weather. In the Philippines very good weather. Sunny day, but in Russia also sunny day. But in the Philippines more hot than in Russia. I think 35. I feel, Shaira, now so hot?
Yes, it's more hot.
Normal. So we're going to SM City Clark. So long time I not been in the Philippines. Hi. Shaira said she want it in a Japanese restaurant again. Shaira, where you want it?
Japanese.
Yes, she said Japanese restaurant want it again. But I eat in Japanese restaurant in Russia. Same Japanese restaurant. Menu different. Not the same like in the Philippines. Menu same like in Japan. And a little bit high price. In Russia, same restaurant. We order again chicken teriyaki with egg. What you order, Shaira? Huh?
Gyudon.
Gyudon. What show me? It's beef?
Rice.
With rice. Price here. 530 peso total. Many people here eat. Today so many people in the same Clark. Even here we sit and try to buy coffee in donuts. And we maybe 10 minutes waiting because so many people today. Shaira like coffee, donuts. Soon I will walk and show to you Angeles City, also walking street, Red Street. Because now I want to rest a little bit. But already soon, in Friday also, I will start live stream. See you later.